I'm Mark, and today I'm going to be recommending 5 must-have accessories for the Google Pixel 7. Before we get started, as always, links to every item featured in today's video can be found in the description below. The first item on today's list is the GAN 65-watt fast charger by Elixir. Now, we all know too well, receiving anything but a charging lead nowadays is a rarity, and that includes the Pixel 7. That's why this fast charger has made the list, but that's not the only reason. This charging unit is the perfect accessory for those, like myself, that charge multiple items at a time. But why should you choose this mains charger? Well, not only does it provide a USB-A and dual USB-C ports, this 65-watt charger also provides split wattage to ensure that you can not only charge your Pixel 7, Pixel Watch, and even your power bank at the same time. You can rest easy knowing that no single device is being thrust with more power than it needs to charge. We use one of these chargers right here in the studio, and they get a huge thumbs up from us here. The second item to make today's video is the Elixir carbon fiber case. When it comes to an accessory that pretty much everyone buys straight away, it's a phone case. And the phone case I'm recommending today is one that has both style and function. The Elixir carbon fiber case comes in a stunning carbon fiber texture. It's slim thanks to it being made from gel, lightweight, and even offers protection for those lenses on the phone. When you stand back and take a look at this case, I'm sure you can see why it's made the list. It adds very little mass to the phone itself, and it's just a wonderful case for all. The third item to make today's list is something that lets you appreciate the Google Pixel 7 from a whole new perspective. It's a great choice for the gamers out there. The OtterBox mobile gaming clip. It's lightweight, easy to install mobile gaming mount that allows you to combine your phone and game controller seamlessly. Now, while this may not be an accessory for all, there are some around the office that love being able to take advantage of the fact they can now play their favourite games while on their lunch break. While I'm not a huge gamer myself, I can see the appeal of having the convenience of your home console at your fingertips. The penultimate item on our list is one for the car owners out there. It's the Elixir magnetic windscreen and dashboard phone holder. I'm sure, like me, that you've encountered many awful sat-nav systems in cars. That's why I always prefer to use my phone for navigation. To do this safely, I would always recommend a magnetic phone holder, as it's simple to install and takes no fuss to attach or detach your phone to. The holder comes with a strong adhesive-based magnet that I suggest you either stick to the back of your phone case, or, a tip from me here, you can slide it in between your phone case and phone. That way you can still have the nice look of your case, but you can still slap it on the magnet and go. The reason I like this so much is that it's simply because it eliminates the nonsense. It's easy, affordable, and really durable. Before we take a look at the final item today, if you like what we do here, then it would be brilliant if you could like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you don't miss out on any of the latest tech news and accessories. Okay, so the last little wonder I want to show you is the Pixel Stand 2. And don't be fooled into thinking this is simply just another wireless charger. The first thing I personally love is the look of it. While the design may be simple, it just sits really nicely on the eye. The Pixel Stand 2 offers the full 23 watts required to fast charge your Google Pixel 7. More than this, I know one of the biggest accessory purchases for the Google Pixel 7 is the 30-watt charger. This costs nearly £40 with the cable, but both of these things are actually included with the wireless charger. Finally, the Pixel Stand 2 will work in unison with all other Nest devices, and simply dropping your phone onto the stand will turn it into a direct hub for you to manage all of your Nest items. While the Pixel Stand 2 may come in a little bit more expensive than the standard wireless charger, you get the advantage of having speedy wireless charging and also something that looks absolutely great. So there you go, the best accessories for your Google Pixel 7. If you'd like to get your hands on anything from today's video, you can find everything in the description below.